It is finally 2019. Happy New Year's, everyone. I hope everyone has a great year this year, and I hope crypto does fantastically well this year as well. But at the start of the year, I feel like it's time for reflection. So today we're going to go over the best and worst parts of the crypto world in 2018. So let's get started. So just to get started, I just want to say I really do hope that crypto has a fantastic year this year. I obviously think it's going to be a lot better than 2018 was, and we're looking to have weekly videos on this channel for cryptocurrency, so be sure and subscribe for that if you haven't already. I also have my business channel linked below if you want to subscribe to that. That's my new channel covering all business material. But going over today, let's talk about the best and worst of crypto in 2018, and the worst obviously was the crash in January. It just completely fell off a cliff. I know everyone was just completely stoked at the end of 2017 how high Bitcoin and cryptocurrency was going. I got into Bitcoin when it was like $1,500, $1,600, $1,700, and then it got all the way up to 20,000, and then it just completely crashed. And unfortunately, I've said in my videos in the past, I feel like that kind of had to happen, and I feel like it kind of happened because of us, because of cryptocurrency, and generally just because of all the ICOs that happen. I've talked about this several times in the past. You can't just continually split all these Bitcoins into different kinds of Bitcoin and shove this into all these coins that really don't have any value. That's just how it is. There's so many of altcoins that were created that had no purpose. They were just, an idea on paper. And a lot of these coins didn't even have real developers working on these projects. And it was just inevitable that it was going to happen. I thought it was going to last a while longer. I thought Bitcoin could have gone higher, which is why I didn't get out at 20,000. But unfortunately, it crashed, and that was a really disappointing part. And it still just hasn't recovered since then. A lot of people think you have people like Superman who think that the man at the top is trying to keep Bitcoin down. They don't want cryptocurrency to become the new way that people send money. I really don't believe that at all. I think it just kind of, crashed under its own weight of all these ICOs, all these coins being manufactured from literally nothing and saying, oh, look at all this value. There was really no value in a lot of those altcoins. So while the price crashing on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency was obviously probably one of the worst moments of 2018, if you take away the price, cryptocurrency has seen significant gains over this year. The Bitcoin Lightning Network has come online. Ethereum has had upgrades. There's a bunch of new things, a bunch of great improvements that have happened to cryptocurrency over the course of this year, even if the price hasn't reflected that, unfortunately. So those are some good things. But my favorite thing of 2018, my absolutely most favorite thing that happened was the collapse of Bitconnect.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, Bitconnect?
When I got into cryptocurrency in mid-2017, Bitconnect was just starting to pick up. You saw people like Crypto Nick, Trayvon James. You saw all of these channels who didn't know anything about cryptocurrency, and they were just promoting this scam project, Bitconnect. Hey guys, you'll get, about 1% in daily returns every day, forever. It's amazing. It was just, to me, it was obvious that this was a scam, but unfortunately, a lot of people, it wasn't that obvious, and they got behind people like Crypto Nick and Trayvon James, and these people weren't honest with the majority of the money they were coming from was the referral, people signing up and then get more and more money from that. It wasn't just interest they were getting from their Bitconnect loans. And it just continued to snowball and snowball. And the reason it lasted for so long was because Bitcoin and cryptocurrency was doing so well at that time. It continued to go up and up and up. And when Bitcoin fell off a cliff, when cryptocurrency fell off a cliff in early to mid-January, the Bitconnect scam just couldn't exist anymore. They weren't able to pay out those about 1% daily interest every single day. And to me, I just love that. I mean, obviously, I feel bad for people who lost their money, but I was talking about Bitconnect being a scam long before it was clearly obvious that it was going to go under. And it's just incredible. If you go back, a lot of these channels don't even exist, but you can go back and look at like Crypto Nick and Trayvon James. Trayvon James is still around, but a lot of these channels, Crypto Girl, Crypto Chick, these channels just completely disappeared when Bitconnect went under. Bitconnect going under kind of completely wiped out a lot of the scumminess of the cryptocurrency world. And obviously there's still a lot of that around. It's going to always be there, but I really do believe that Bitconnect going under was one of the big improvements to the crypto. It was one of the greatest moments of cryptocurrency in 2018. Again, not because people lost money, but because it kind of sets cryptocurrency on a path that is much better than where it was going into 2018. So there you go. That is my best and worst moment of 2018. The worst being the crash in January, and the greatest being the fall of Bitconnect. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Do you agree on this? What do you think your best moment of the cryptocurrency world was of 2018? And how do you think 2019 is going to be for cryptocurrency? Is it going to be much of the same of 2018? Is it going to crash even further? Or is it going to go even higher, soar past 20K for Bitcoin like it was at the beginning of January? I'd love to hear your thoughts below. And again, we will have more great videos coming up to this channel all throughout the year. Thanks for sticking around, everyone, and have a fantastic New Year's.